In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Discord. We're going to walk through how to join a Discord server using an invite link step by step so you can quickly get connected to the communities you care about. First, open Discord. You can use the desktop app, the mobile app, or the web version in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you want to use. If you haven't opened Discord in a while, give it a moment to update so everything looks and works as expected. A stable internet connection helps here, especially if you're on mobile data. Next, look to the left sidebar where your servers are listed. Find the plus icon labeled Add a Server. This is your gateway to either creating a new server or joining an existing one. Click it and Discord will present a few options. Choose Join a Server. This is important because you're not creating anything new. You're entering an invite to access an existing community. Selecting Join a Server will bring up a field where you can enter a link. Now, focus on the invite link field. This is where you'll put the server invite you received. Legitimate invites typically look like discord.gg followed by characters or discord.com/invite with a code at the end. Make sure you trust the source of the link and that it hasn't been altered. Be cautious of lookalike URLs and don't paste anything that includes personal or sensitive information. If you see extra spaces or punctuation around the link, remove them so Discord can recognize it. Type or paste your server invite link into the field. If you're copying from a message, double check that you've captured the entire link. On mobile, a long press to paste is helpful. If the link has expired or is invalid, Discord will let you know. In that case, ask the server owner or moderator for a fresh invite. When the link looks correct, click Join Server. Discord will process the invite and take you into the server. Depending on the server's settings, you might be greeted with a welcome screen, rules, or a quick verification step. Read any guidelines so you understand the community's expectations. Once inside, you can browse channels, introduce yourself if there's a welcome channel, and adjust your notification settings to avoid being overwhelmed. That's it. You've successfully joined a Discord server using an invite link. If something doesn't work, verify the link's validity and your internet connection, then try again. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new community.